Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a recent update on Discord that allows you to turn off filter messages from non-friends on PC. If you've been missing out on messages because of this filter, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon represents the user settings. Click on it to open the settings menu. Now that you're in the user settings, find the section labeled Privacy and Safety. This is where all your privacy-related options are packed together. Click on Privacy and Safety to continue. In this section, you'll see various options related to how Discord handles messages and friend interactions. To turn off the filter for direct messages from non-friends, look for the option that says Do Not Filter Direct Messages. Make sure to select this option. By doing this, you'll ensure that you receive all messages, even from those who aren't on your friends list. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off the message filter for non-friends on Discord. This simple change will allow you to stay connected and receive messages from a wider circle of users without any interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Discord and beyond. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.